Stonehenge. Stonehenge is a prehistoric monument on Salisbury Plain in Wiltshire, England. It consists of an outer ring of vertical sarsen standing stones, each around 13 feet, 4.0 meters, high, 7 feet, 2.1 meters, wide, and weighing around 25 tons, topped by connecting horizontal lintel stones. The whole monument, now ruinous, is aligned towards the sunrise on the summer solstice and sunset on the winter solstice. Archaeologists believe that Stonehenge was constructed in several phases between 3100 BC and 1600 BC. One of the most famous landmarks in the United Kingdom, Stonehenge is regarded as a British cultural icon, and it has been legally protected scheduled monument since 1882.